Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to buy HEI token, Heima token. So guys, before start this video is not financial advice. So guys, and do you only search before buy any token? To buy this token, guys, what you have to do, go to MetaMask. And after that, guys, first copy your address of this token and go to MetaMask. And from MetaMask, what you have to do, guys, click this three dot right here and click import. And from here, click token, customize this option and click copy your address. And this is token and click next and click import. As you can see here, this is the token. And after that, click swap, guys. And from here, choose the token you want to buy. This is the token, guys, as you can see here. This is the token and choose the USDT, for example. And guys, make sure you have enough money in your wallet and then complete your transaction from here. So guys, this is how you can do to buy HEI token. And I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Guys, don't skip like and share this video. Any question down below in the comment and I will answer your question.